For the best price, click the link in the description. You're about to upgrade your driving experience with a high-tech Android car stereo, but have you considered the Binize Android Car Stereo? I'm here to give you the lowdown on what works and what doesn't. Before you spend your hard-earned cash, watch this review carefully. Are you tired of using outdated car stereos that don't support modern connectivity features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto? Have you ever wished for a more intuitive interface with a large touchscreen display to easily navigate through music, maps, and more? But here's what surprised me about the Binize Android Car Stereo. It's not just another generic car stereo. It comes packed with an array of innovative features that will change the way you interact with your vehicle. Let's dive in and explore the good, the bad, and the ugly of this product. Deep Dive 930 words. The Binize Android Car Stereo boasts a sleek design with a 10-inch HD touchscreen display, perfect for navigating through menus or enjoying multimedia content on the go. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a closer look at its technical specifications. Supports up to 64 GB of internal storage and expandable via microSD card. Compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless smartphone integration. Dual USB ports. One HDMI port and an auxiliary input for connecting devices. Built-in GPS navigation system with real-time traffic updates. There's more where that came from. The Binize Android Car Stereo also features a range of advanced safety features to keep you secure on the road. Supports voice recognition technology for hands-free phone calls and music control. Includes an emergency SOS function in case of accidents or breakdowns. Has built-in Wi-Fi connectivity for wireless updates and online services. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some users have reported issues with the stereo's software stability, particularly when running multiple apps simultaneously. Therefore, I'd like to give you a quick rundown of the pros and cons based on user reviews and my own experience. Pros: high-quality display and intuitive interface. Supports modern connectivity features like Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Range of advanced safety features for peace of mind. Cons: software stability issues reported by some users. No built-in amplifier, which may require additional accessories. Some customers have experienced difficulties with customer support. Resolution 170 words. In conclusion, the Binize Android Car Stereo is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their driving experience. While it has its drawbacks, the benefits far outweigh the costs. If you're willing to overlook some minor software issues and invest in additional accessories, this stereo will provide you with a seamless and enjoyable driving experience. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Binize Android Car Stereo today. Revisit my review for more information and details about this product.